Hello बच्चों, let's see this question. The question says that calculate the work done when 1 mole of an ideal gas is expanded reversibly from 20 decimeter cube to 40 decimeter cube at a constant temperature of 300 Kelvin. So here is the options are: option A 7.78 kilojoule, option B minus 1.73 kilojoule, option C 11.73 kilojoule, option D minus 4.78 kilojoule. So here we have to calculate the work done. So this question is basically from the topic thermodynamics and thermochemistry. So the key concept here is an formula, that is work done we can denote it as W is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log V2 by V1. So here N is the number of mole, R is the universal gas constant, T is the temperature, V2 is the final volume and V1 is the initial volume. So here N is the number of mole, that is given 1 mole, and R we are using here is 8.314 joule mole inverse Kelvin inverse, and T given here is equal to 300 Kelvin, and V1 is equal to 20 decimeter cube, that is 20 decimeter cube, we can say it as 20 liter, and V2 given 40 decimeter cube, we can say it as 40 liter. So now we apply this value in the above equation. So work done W is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log V2 by V1 is equal to, we can say, minus 2.303 into n equal to 1 R 8.314 into temperature 300 into log V2 by V1, that is 40 by 20, and the value here come out in joule. So next, now simplify this equation, minus 2.303 into 1 into 8.314 into 300 into, here log 40 by 20 is log 2, log 2's value is 0.3010. So after multiplying these terms, we will get this is minus 1730 joule approx is equal to minus 1.73 kilojoule. So this is our answer. So now coming to the option B is the correct answer, that is work done is minus 1.73 kilojoule. So hence the correct option is B. So I hope you understand it well. Best of luck.